Is Inishmaan part of the Aran Islands? If you are curious about whether Inishmaan is part of the Aran Islands, you are in for an interesting journey through the beautiful Irish Islands. Inishmaan is indeed one of the three main islands that make up the Aran Islands, located in Galway Bay on the west coast of Ireland. To give you a clearer picture, the three islands are Inishmore, Inishmaan, and Inis Meáin. Inishmore is the largest, while Inis Meáin is the smallest. Inishmaan, which is also known by its Irish name Inis Meáin, means middle island. This name reflects its position nestled between the other two islands. Inishmaan is part of County Galway and belongs to the province of Connaught. As of the year 2022, the island has a small population of about 180 for people, making it the least populated of the Aran Islands. Despite its size, Inishmaan is rich in culture and tradition. It is predominantly Irish-speaking, as it is part of the Gaeltacht regions where the Irish language thrives. For travelers seeking a quieter experience, Inishmaan offers unspoiled scenery and authentic cultural encounters. The island is less commercialized than its neighbors, allowing visitors to enjoy its natural beauty and peaceful atmosphere. You can reach Inishmaan by taking a ferry from Russellville or Doolin. There are also regional flights available from Connemara Airport, making it accessible for those who prefer air travel. Inishmaan is also part of the Burren region, which is famous for its unique natural features. The rugged terrain and stunning views create a picturesque setting that is perfect for photography and leisurely walks. In summary, Inishmaan is definitely part of the Aran Islands and stands out as a unique destination for anyone interested in Irish culture, language, and tranquil island life. Whether you are looking to immerse yourself in the Irish language or simply enjoy the serene landscapes, Inishmaan has something special to offer.